Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to see 5 AI tools that I have been using regularly for a couple of months now and that have been very useful in my day-to-day work, also in my professional work that I do as a technical writer. So I just wanted to show you that those 5 technical tools, those 5 AI tools which you must be using, because we do use ChatGPT but that is not as effective as we want it to be in our professional day job. So let me show you those 5 tools which are very helpful and it will boost your career like anything. So the first tool being is Napkin AI. So you must be creating a lot of infographics for example. So you have to create some, you have to explain some new topic to the customer, client, or to a new joiner. In that case, you must be thinking, how should I explain this in a more informative way, more engaging way? So there, this Napkin AI comes into play. So here what we do is we can create any kind of graphic within a seconds. So usually what we do is we have to like create a PowerPoint, we have to create a lot of graphics, then we have to do a lot of thinking on that. So this tool does all that. You just have to write a prompt, it will create a topic and it will again just create a infographic whichever you need. So let me show you a demo. So this is the tool called Napkin AI. Here you can just write for example, uh, what is the blockchain technology? So maybe you want to explain this to a new joiner or to customer or client. So what it does is we just added the prompt, it started creating a topic on that, as you can see. So it has created all the things which are related to that topic. And now what we do is we just click on this particular icon which says generate visuals. If you click on this, it will just take couple of seconds and within that it will create a amazing graphic which will enhance your topic, enhance your engagement to explain this topic to the person you want to. So here you can see it has created, sorry, my bad, I just clicked somewhere else. So this tool is really amazing. Within a second you can create a new graphic, you can edit it, you can export it into various formats such as exporting it into SVG, PNG, PDF, PPT, anything you want. So here you can see there are different kind of diagrams you can create out of these. You can change its style, whether you want to be in a black and white or color or whatever. If you select that, you can edit these particular icon, you can change its color, then you can change its font if you want to, then you can change the wording, and once you are done with everything you can just click on export and you can choose out of these 4: PPT, PDF, SVG and PNG, which is really great. It is a free of cost tool. All the tools which I am going to explain in this video, all 5 are free of cost, which will really improve your professional job as well as your professional and personal life, both the things. So you must use this. So let's go on to the next tool which I daily use. This is called Notebook LM. So this tool is developed by Google, and what this tool does is whenever you want to learn something new, whether it is a long video about some podcast, or there is something long document like 50-60 pages that you don't want to spend that much time learning about that. So what you can do is you can just take that document, or you can just take that particular video link, and you can just upload it in the Notebook LM and it will just create a flawless podcast out of this, which will be very convenient to understand that topic. Also, if you upload the PDF, it will also create a podcast out of that. You can just listen to that and you will understand the topic. Also, you can create a you can also create a mind map out of that. So that is also very helpful. So let me show you. I had added one of our video from our YouTube channel. So this is the one, and I added just a link of that. It created a description or the summary of that video, what we are discussing in that video. Then what it does is it creates a podcast here, as you can see in the next tab. Sorry, so it is gone. Let me open that up again, and till then I'll show you the mind map that is created for the video. So this is the mind map which is created for the video of our YouTube channel. So the video was about like why previous generation was earning less, and despite that they were able to fulfill our financial needs. And this generation, our generation, is earning like anything, and we still can't make to the end of the month, and we are living paycheck to paycheck. So this was the video. So it created all the points, and we can expand that and we can learn again about that. You can see the second thing, which is about the podcast which I explained. So based upon the video which I had uploaded, it created a podcast. You can see this.
It's truly fascinating when you look back. You look at our parents or maybe our grandparents' generation.
And what's fascinating here, I think, is that this mindset wasn't just about being frugal for the sake of it. It was more.
So this is really amazing. Like, I mean, the video was in Marathi and the podcast created it is in English. So you can do these things for anything you want. Like if there is another language which is speaking and they are teaching something extraordinary that you want to learn, you can just take that link, add it here, and it will create English podcast for you. Also you will get all the sources, you will get mind map. So this will be like very easy to understand anything. This is just for video. You can also upload PDF, PPT, whatever you want, and it will create a similar kind of output which you can use for your work. So these are the two tools which I have explained. Now let's get to the third one. But before doing that, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. It will help me create similar videos and teach you something new every day. So let's get to it. So the third tool being Gamma AI. So this one is very helpful if you are towards the client side or something. So if you have to create a PPT or slide deck or some pitch deck to the client, and you don't want to go through all the hustle bustle you have to do for PPT, because it takes a lot of time and takes a lot of creativity and you have to do so many things in that. So to help you with that, there is a tool called Gamma. So what it does is it creates a really good PPT for you. So as you can see, you can just log in. Again, this is a free tool. So you can just log into this one, create new and paste in text, and you can just write how to, or what is, we'll use the same question, what is the blockchain technology. Okay, we are good. We'll just click on this generate from the notes or outline, continue to the prompt, and so it has just created this one interface. Here we can add how many cards we want, the kind of formatting we want, whether it is extensive information, detailed, concise, and minimal. Other things we can configure here, what kind of images we want, whether we want stock images or AI images or illustrations. So we'll go with AI images, and we can just click on continue. So within a seconds it will create a PPT. But before that, we have option to select the theme, which kind of theme you want, whether we want professional, dark, light, or colorful. We'll go with professional because we want to explain this to the client or something. So we'll select this one and we'll go generate. So once you have done that, within a couple of seconds it will create an amazing PPT with AI generated images, which this tool itself does. We don't have to do anything extra in that. So it is generating now, as you can see. Let's get to it, and I have already worked on this, and let me show you the output which I got. So this was the PPT it had generated earlier. So I had chose this theme. These images are generated by AI. You can edit anything you want here, like you can remove, add, you can change its font, you can change the text, all these things you can do, and in the end you can either present it from here or you can just export this PPT. So all the flexibility you get in PPT, in the PowerPoint, you get it here. You can do all the things, and it will be the task which will take you like a half day or a day, it will just do it in 5 seconds, in 5 minutes or so. So this is a really good tool which you can take use of while creating PPTs. So let's get to the next one, which is Prompt Genie. I have been using this tool for like a month now, and I couldn't be grateful to this tool because it has helped me a lot in my prompt writing skills. As you know, when we use ChatGPT, we write, I want to create a uh, I want to write an email to my manager, please give the nice professional email with polite wording, and it gives the work, like ChatGPT gives you output, but that is not that exceptional. So this is like a use case that I have explained, like, which is very simple. But you want to create an Excel sheet which has a lot of column and rows, and you want it to be a really expert kind of PPT. In that case, you might need a great prompt, right? The input you give it to the ChatGPT. So for that, to write those prompts, this is the tool called Prompt Genie. So here you can just say a simple thing like, I want to create a PPT, or I want to create Excel, or for this case, like, I want to create a video script for personal finance for a young professional, and we can just click on generate prompt, and from this little prompt we have given to the tool, it will create a really good prompt which we can use to add it in our tools like ChatGPT, and it will just give us a really great output which we are expecting. So here, if we had just asked like, give me outline of this, and we would have got like average output from ChatGPT. But now you can see it has given outline, structure, basics, managing date, all these things. And if we just copy paste and add it in the ChatGPT, we'll get amazing output, which is what we are looking for, right? So this is the tool. It is also free, but it has few tokens that you have to use, and it will be good. But within a day you can use like 5 or 6 tokens, and you can use it for your work. So the last tool which I am going to explain is not really a tool, it is a skill. You must be thinking, yeah, Ganesh, you said in the video start that there are 5 tools. Yeah, there are a couple of tools, but to work on that, you need a particular skill, and that skill is prompt writing. What is prompt writing? So whenever we are asking something to ChatGPT, right? Like, we want ChatGPT to do this thing for me. In that case, you have to give input. So that input is called prompt. So that input has to be really structured, and it should have constraints. We should say, do this, don't do this, do it in this way, think about that, all these things. And if we write like a generic vague prompt, in that case it will just give a random answer to us which we don't need. So that skill needs to be improved for every one of us, because yeah, there is a Prompt Genie which will do that thing for us, but even to generate these basic prompts, we need to give accurate information to Prompt Genie so that it will generate a greater prompt for us. So that is the skill we need to improve. To do that, we have 3 websites which will help you understand how to write great prompts. So all these tool links and the material I'm going to explain are in the description of this video. You can click there and you can use those. First one is from Harvard University. So here they have given a really good article on getting started with prompts. So they have explained, act as if what, then tell what you want it to be, do this, don't do this, examples, all these things they have explained. Additionally, there is one from OpenAI, the company which created ChatGPT. They have also given article on how to write better prompts. You can go through this. And the third one is from MIT Management. So they have also explained effective prompts for AI, the essentials, like the basics of writing prompt. So you should go through all these 3, and you will be better with writing all the prompts you write for getting your answers from AI. So with that, I will conclude the video. But if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubts or any queries, you want to share something, please don't forget to write it in the comment section. I will definitely reply to that. Thank you for watching. Stay curious. Bye bye.